Hello again. Here is another keyboard with me for repair. The problem with this keyboard is not turning on. It's a Casio tone model number CT-S200. So let's open and check in. In this keyboard we have the motherboard and the power supply, everything. It comes in one board only, all in one. So we have to open this circuit board and check what's the problem. First of all, let's check the socket which insert the adapter. Now let's check a negative line. Negative line is fine. Power should go through this coil. Now we are checking the positive line. It seems no connection. Sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't. I can see there is a dry solder here, so we have to solder it again. First, let's scrape a PCB board and solder. After soldering, it should look like this. Now let's plug it back and test. Check the adapter line. Adapter has been plugged in. But it's not turning on. So now I have opened it again. We'll check it direct with the PCB. Let's start from the main socket and down to a coil and capacitor. Now let's check a coil. 9.6 volt, which is normal. From here it goes down to a 5 volt regulator. Now let's soldering temporarily with this yellow wire to a ground. And connect it to a meter probe so that it will be easy to check. Now we have voltage reaching this capacitor. and from this capacitor it will go straight to this 5-volt SMD regulator. So let's check this regulator. Input is there. Let's check the output, and no output. So we have a defective regulator. This is an SMD regulator, which I don't have with me right now. So I will use with this small one. Size is exactly like BC548. This one is a 5-volt regulator. Look how different is the big one and the small one regulator. Very different in size. Let's check again once more. Now let's solder this regulator. Now we have connected a ground and input pin. So the remaining now is the output pin to be connected. So we have to join it with wire to the 5-volt output pin of regulator. And connect straight to a positive pin of capacitor. So now that we have finished, so here's the connection, should look like. So let's test it one more time before fitting it back. Yes, 5-volt output is there. So let's fit it back. Now display is coming. Let's check the sound. Thank you for watching. To subscribe my channel for more video updates.